I've just finished the second stage of painting and I'm reinstalling the hinge. And I'll show you a technique if you're having trouble with screws stripping out. If it's minor and it just needs to be snugged up a bit, get yourself some toothpicks. Snap the tapered end off so it's thicker. Install in the hole and then snap it off flush. Like that. And if you need more, add more. Zip ties work good. Push in there. Snip. Pull it out a little bit and then snip. You want it flush. And if it's real bad, electrical wire works beautiful. And then bring your hinge around and put them screws in. These were not stripped out, but I'm just going to leave all that in there and see how it goes. So, I've got to line this up with the hole. That's perfect. I didn't tighten it up because I want the hinge to move on its own. Needs to go out a little bit. Also, if you have a torque setting on your drill, go to the lowest setting and you won't over tighten.